guys, welcome back to the channel. We're fired up because this is inside track coupons that we think are freaking awesome, guys. Yeah. I mean, I'm so fired up because this is some good stuff, some good deals we got going on. We don't have going on, but Harbor Freight has going on that we could pick up. Or you could pick it up. This thing's getting on my nerves. Sorry, guys. But, guys, I mean, this is some good stuff. Don't you think, Hunter?
I agree.
Guys, and I think I'm going to give another one of these away for the next person that buys something on the website.
A random person.
Random person. I'm throwing it in there. We'll give it away. I mean, why not? It's fun. But guys, so I believe that we got some good deals here. Inside Track. If you're not inside, what the Inside Track is, guys, you can get a membership here for, I can't remember what the fee is. Do you?
I don't remember.
It's one fee for a flat year. And I mean, you get Inside Track, you get early sales, you get all this stuff. You get better deals, is what I have to say, if you're an Inside Track member than just anyone. For one, you get the parking lot sales. You get in there quicker.
Normally about 4 or 5 days earlier.
Yeah, 4 or 5 days earlier than everyone else. So you can pick what you want, you know, and it's not gone.
You basically got to pick through what you want.
That's true, guys. So, guys, go to pricekustoms.com, pick you up a shirt, hat, all that good stuff. Just help us do what we do, like giving back to these students. We're about to go give away some toolboxes. We're fired up about it.
Within this week.
Yeah, this week coming up, right?
Yeah.
Or this week. It's
Not this week, but the week coming up.
Yeah, the next week we're going to give away 2 different schools, giving away 2 different toolboxes to 2 lucky people. But we're fired up about it. But guys, so I'm going to go on to the first thing right here, okay? And of course it would be...
You know my code.
Hey, I do. That's pretty funny. But guys, this first item, I believe, is one of the best. And if you hadn't seen it yet, we've been talking about the last 2 videos because we truly believe in it. It is this red U.S. General. I mean, it is U.S. General.
Yeah, U.S. General.
It is U.S. General rolling cart. It's the red one, the 3-tier. 3 tiers. Is that how you'd say that?
Yep.
Or is that a cake that's 3-tiered?
It works.
Whatever. It's 3 shelves, okay? But it is $49.99 for the Inside Track. It's 20% off.
How much is it normally?
It is normally, oh goodness, let's zoom in. It's normally $59. Is that right? $69.99.
So $20 off.
$20 off. And I believe you need to go get that right now because that's
it's a great cart. We've talked about it in the past couple videos. It's been really good.
Yeah, and we've been using it to haul around this other cart.
Yeah.
But guys, if you flip it around, the top one upside down, it makes a good little portable work table you can take around with you in the shop. I believe it's really good. If the ground is a little unlevel and stuff, it's got 4-wheel drive wheels on it.
Yeah, they're good.
I mean, they're good. And I think do they all swivel? No, just those 2 swivel.
Yeah.
But, I mean, it rolls around on unleveled ground easy. And if you're an electrician, like, that would be a good one to wheel around in your at your job site to keep your stuff on and do your job while you're working. Perfect cart right there. I truly believe it is. For $49.99, I don't think you could buy a cart cheaper than that.
Not for that good quality.
No, and it's decent. I mean, you put it together.
I mean, it looks good. It does good.
It holds a lot of weight. It says it holds...
I don't think it says that on there.
400 pounds. No, it don't hold that much.
I don't say.
It don't say. But it is called the 3 shelf. It is 3 shelves, guys, not 3-tier. I was thinking of cakes. I don't know why. It's a 30-inch by 16. So it's 16 wide by 36 long, right?
Yep.
I mean 30 long.
Yep.
30 long by 16 wide. It's a good little cart. Perfect for what you need around the shop or anything. You can stack things. I mean, it's just perfect. I like it.
Go ahead and go on to the next one.
Okay, the next one. Do you have it in order?
No.
Oh.
You just got to look through.
Okay. Hold on a second. Oh, here it is. Okay, that next one, we'll just stick right here. Is right on top. It's It is the one drawer. You can tell, guys, we're moving. It's the one drawer car. It's $89. This thing is normally $129. It's 40% off.
And we haven't had time to put it together.
No, guys. If you realize how much we've been doing lately, it's a lot.
We're officially out of the old garage.
Yeah,
but we still got tons of work to do here.
Oh yeah, you wouldn't believe it. But we believe this is going to be a good one. I can't wait to get it put together. But what did we pay for this?
I don't remember.
It was. We used a coupon that was we didn't get that good a deal.
No.
We paid like $100 and something for it.
Yeah, we did.
We paid $119, I think.
Yeah.
But this right now for $89, I believe, why not get it while you can? 40% off. It is 40% off. Yeah, 40% off. It's usually $129. Inside Track member, go get that. That's a good card, I believe. We're going to build it up for a special project that we got coming on. But guys, go to PriceCustoms.com and get you a Dream Big keychain and help the cause. And they'll buy a toolbox for someone else. And we're fired up about that, aren't you?
Yeah.
So I'm going to let Hunter do a couple. And there's one I want him to do because he bought this one coming up. And man, right now is a deal on this one coming up. So I'm going to let him over here and let him do it.
This next tool, we don't have it in person right now because it's on something. It'll be on the screen over here somewhere. I'll pop it on the screen. But it is the Hallmaster Universal Heavy Duty lock for your trailer. It's only $25. That's how much I paid, $24.99. It's on sale for $19.99. The reason we don't have it in person is because it's on a trailer, protecting the trailer. We don't want it stolen. And it's doing a great job. I like the way it's built. And it's a lot cheaper than going to like Walmart and stuff getting theirs. And it feels really great quality.
Honestly, we have a ton of these locks, and it's probably one of the best quality.
It feels like the best quality one. So that's a really good deal right there for $19.99. Because you really can't beat it for the price and, like we said, great quality. And I'm not worried about my trailer getting stolen using that one right there.
No, I don't worry about it either.
And this next one, I'm going to be talking about, we've used it so much here lately. Like, insane amount. We've used it a lot in past time too, but especially here lately. And it is the Pittsburgh 2-inch by 6 foot, 6,400 pound lifting sling. But we used it to move cars, and it's this one right here. As you can tell, we have it hooked up to another one that's not on sale, the Badlands one. But this one right here, the 6,400 pound one, is really good. I mean, we used it to move the truck. My Apache, that thing was hard to move. I wish we filmed moving that, but it took us 2 hours to get it on the trailer.
Yeah, because the rear end was locked up for some reason.
The rear end's locked up, and it don't have a steering wheel. So, I mean, there's no way to really move it easily.
And all the tires are flat.
And all of them are. So, this was able to get a lot of work done for us. We had a couple of these hooked up. But this one's really strong. We lifted engines. We've lifted so much with this.
I pulled a truck out of a ditch.
Yeah, we have. And we've used this thing so much, like, it's kind of permanently attached to this one. Because we pulled so much stuff with it, I don't think I can get it unstuck.
Yeah, we will.
I mean, I say leave it because we use it like this anyway, so it don't matter. But this is one of the Badlands tree. So let's go around a tree. But hey, we use it to move cars. It works.
We put it around the rear end.
Yeah, it works really good. But this strap right here is a really good one because it's strong. You know it's not going to break because we've lifted, I mean, how many things? Unbelievable amount of things.
I mean, we've moved the Mustang, the Nova, the Camaro, the Apache.
Engines, everything.
Engine block, the F1.
Yeah, I mean, we've moved so much stuff with it. It's unbelievable. And it's only $12.99. You can get it for $8.96 right now. You cannot beat that price. $8.96 for that? I mean, I might go pick up another one for that price. It's not bad at all. It's 31% off. So that's a good deal because, I mean, straps are normally expensive, and that's a good price for one.
Yeah, we really tested it.
Which one shall I move on to next? Okay, this next one we've had for a while. It's really great. Especially if you have cars that don't run and you need to move them around the shop. And it is the 1,500 pound capacity vehicle dollies. It comes with 2 of these. This is a Pittsburgh. It comes with 2 of them. I'm going to sit down because it's a little heavy. But it comes with 2 of them. Normally $64.99 for 2. Right now you can get them for $39.99. That's
so that is a must-have right now.
38% off. That is crazy. So that is definitely a must-have for that because especially in this shop, we got to move some vehicles around. So we're definitely going to be using these.
Guys, we got the Apache to come over here, and we're going to have to use those.
That Apache's going to be hard to unload, I'm telling you. I mean, really hard to unload because, for one, rear end's locked up. For two, no steering wheel. And we got to get it off of a car trailer. That's going to be fun. I don't know
if
how
we got it on it, we can get it off it.
I don't know. It might be... And once we get it on the car dollies, it'll be fine. That'll be the easy part. But getting it off the trailer... we're a little worried about. So comment down below if you think you want to see that. We probably still won't film it because it'll be very hard to do. And we don't have a film crew with us. I wish we did. So we probably won't film it. We'll keep you guys updated with how that goes on our Instagram. So follow us there at Price Kustoms. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to let you do another one. And we're going to get everything set up. And then we'll get back to you.
All right, guys. This next one is one thing that I bought that I wished I knew about years ago. Because we have had so many trailers without lights.
But they didn't have it years ago. That's
they
the
didn't.
thing.
But I'm glad they come out with it. This is the... oh, gosh. What is this brand? Does that say?
It is the Kenway magnetic LED Bluetooth light.
Yeah, I'm sorry guys, my eyes are not working in this shop right now. It's LED light. It is right now 30% off or $30 off.
Let me see.
It's $30 off.
Yep, $30 off. It's only $149.99.
Yeah, and it's $119.99 right here. These things are amazing.
I'm gonna come over.
We love these things, don't we?
I need to stay in the light. Never mind.
Yeah, stay there. I'll pop them out. Look
Yeah,
at
just
this.
open it up and bring it to me if you don't mind.
Okay, I'll just bring it like that. These
Yeah.
things are amazing. You have the lights. It tells you driver, passenger, the thing that hooks up. You charge them. We charged them once and we used them a lot.
And it hasn't
And it
gone
still
down.
hasn't went down. You got the thing to put in your car to charge with, the thing to plug in the wall. These things are amazing. They can reach back 100 feet, I think
I
it
think
said.
that's what it said.
But
But how many times have we used it, you think?
We used it 30, 40 times.
And we charged it one time and it went down 1 bar.
1 bar down. We still have 4 bars to go.
That's crazy.
$119, guys. Why they're on sale? This is one you must run and go get if you have a bunch of trailers and the lights mess up. Instead of rewiring it, why not just flip these out, stick them on, and go, dude?
And sometimes it's just easier to use magnetic lights.
It is. Those are so strong you wouldn't believe it, though.
You should get one of them out so they can see how the magnet is and everything.
Yeah, I will.
Because they're very nice.
They're very nice. I'll do it on the side of the toolbox. Look at that.
Yeah, I mean, it's strong. And then take it off so they can see the magnet base.
It's got a rubber that protects it.
A magnet protects it.
Yeah. And I mean, it's nice,
And
man.
then it has that, what is that?
This right here, so you can strap it to something in case it did pop off, it would still hang there.
The lanyard.
So, I mean, very good, very great design. I believe you cannot beat it for $119. I thought that was a great deal for $149. That's why I bought it.
I mean, I would pay full price all day for it.
Yeah, I would buy them over again for $149. I believe in them that much. But this next item, okay, Hunter? I'm going to go on to it, okay?
Go ahead.
This next item we have used so much, and I believe right now is the best time to get it because I think it's like $69.
Yeah, it's only, I think, $89. We'll look on the phone and make for sure.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not for sure right now, but well, I'll let you know in a second. But guys, you're wondering why is it set up like this? You just have to see it.
Well, I mean, tell them how we done it for years at the shop.
Well, we bolted this thing to the ground, to the concrete, and we'd pull cars up the hill and into the shop with this 2,500-pound winch here.
The Badlands.
The Badlands, 2,500 pound ATV, I believe is what this is for.
It's made for like a ATV, UTV.
Yeah, and it is amazing, guys. We use it. This pulled that big Apache truck on that trailer.
Yeah, because we have 2 of them.
We have 2 of them. Yeah, we really believe in them. Honestly, we had 3 of them, but we sold one with something that we sold.
I had a car trailer. Well, it was an equipment trailer turned into a car trailer. And I had to sell it.
We sold the winch with it. But,
yeah.
But I mean, you cannot beat that right there. For
look at the price
$69.
and make sure for sure what it was.
Yeah, let me look. But guys, I tell you, if you want one of them and you don't want to pay full price, hold on, let me find it right there. It is. Yeah, $69.99 is 20% off, 22% off. It's usually $89.99.
That's what I thought, yeah.
Yeah, it is a good buy right now for $69.99. I truly would recommend it right here. And I believe if you don't have it, go and get it.
Yeah, it's
and
awesome.
Tell them Price Customs sent you. And say you don't sponsor them, but you need to because
just send them some tools.
Yeah, send us some tools, man, for free.
So we can review them.
Yeah, but guys, I'm telling you right now, if you're not an Inside Track member, you might need to become one because you can get all these things on that deal with those coupons and being an Inside Track member. And you know what we say around here, Hunter?
What?
It don't cost a bit more to dream big than it does little.
And I'll dream big.
Because I serve.
I beg God.
Yeah, guys. So make sure you comment down below about some things, and we're going to set something up. We're going to see what your opinion is on something right here.
Out of all the deals we went over, comment down below which one is your favorite. Is it the car dollies? 'Cause, I mean, these are a really good one. Great deal, $39. Can't beat it. Is it the strap? Is it these two carts right here? I really love the red one, like we said before. Excited to put the yellow together. Just have not had time because we've been moving shops, and you'll see how messy it is right now in a second. Or is it the winch? Or the lights? I think my favorite is probably these lights right here.
I think mine too.
Because they're so useful. You can use them in so many circumstances.
Like guys, if you had a car on a trailer, you could magnetize them on the car.
Yeah, if you had like a car dolly, you know what I'm talking about, the ones you
the car
it.
dollies.
Yeah, and hook it up on the back of the car and it'd work perfect. Because we have so many trailers, lots are messed up, and
we just swap that around all the trailers.
And if you have large trailers and you don't want to have to fool around with all the different lights, just move it to each one. It's so easy. We only have one trailer we can't run it on because it's very thin steel and it won't stick to it. That's the only downside on our box
trailer, yeah.
These will not work, but they have the lights at Harbor Freight you can buy to put it in it, so it's not going to be bad to fix. But the winch, this is another great one, the Badlands ZXR 2500. We've had these for years, use them all the time. Very great quality. I want to get the 12,000 pound for my Jeep, but they're a little pricey. I'm thinking about, should I go 12,000 pounds or should I just go 9,500 pounds? I don't know. I say 12,000 because why not?
Yeah.
And I kind of want the synthetic rope one, not the wire rope one, because, I mean, the steel rope, I'd rather have the synthetic. I don't know why. I just think it'd be pretty cool. They're a little more expensive, though. But I guess let's go ahead and show you guys what's going on in the shop. And I'll do it so I can adjust the lighting while we do it.
Yeah, you do it. I'm not even going to be in the picture here.
Yeah, you're going to show them.
Okay, guys, for one, look at this mess right here. We got our trust. Guys, this right here is a good buy at Harbor Freight.
Yeah, that wire.
If you ever need to rewire that. Or we got our hot rod in here.
Yeah.
Look, we got shelves. If you come this way, we got engine blocks, heads, everything. Look, come here. Let's show them. Here's what we was talking about last video about chopping something in two. Here it is.
Let me get over to it without falling.
This is hilarious. We chopped it in two, guys.
Yep, we got the Jeep body.
It's going to go up there.
Yeah, we're thinking about putting it up on the wall, moving the stop sign over. Comment down below some ideas, and if you want to send us stuff for the shop on the walls or something, go send it to our P.O. box. It'll be in the description below.
Yeah, guys, we appreciate everything that everyone sends in a P.O. box. We really do. We do appreciate each and every one of y'all. We really do. But guys, I mean, we got jacks or welders. We got a mess that we got to get in here.
I mean, look at all this.
Somehow organize this thing.
I mean, and it's even worse.
Guys, think about our old shop. How did we fit all this stuff in that shop?
I have no clue.
I mean, it was insane. Look at all this, all the way down through here. Then look, the Freedom Nova, baby.
Yep, it's sitting over here.
I'm ready to start working back on that thing.
Which, let me try to adjust the lighting so you can see it a little better.
You can see it. It's dark over here.
There you go.
Yeah, you can see it.
It's probably very grainy, but I'm just having to do it for the lighting. But then we got our toolboxes over here, let it focus. And then the Apache's going over here.
Yeah, we're going to put the Apache right there. It's going to be epic. This shop is what we needed. We just got to work on lights now. We got to work on lights, power, and getting everything organized where we want it and all that good stuff. We got all that to go, and man, I hope you want to come along with us and see what we do up here. I'm very fired up about it, aren't you?
Oh yeah, because this is our new headquarters. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, this is Price Customs. Guys, if you have some cool stuff you want us to hang on these walls, send it to us. We'd appreciate it because we got a lot of wall space.
I mean, we have a lot of bare spaces in here. A lot of bare wall space that we could use some stuff.
Yeah, we can. And we, you know, because you know what we say around here. It don't cost a bit more to dream big than it does little.
And I'll dream big.
Because I serve
A big God.
Yes, guys. So make sure you like and subscribe. All that good stuff. What else are we going to tell them?
That's about it.
Guys, we appreciate you. We love you. We'll see you next time.
Peace.